the favorite Teritun. And this is on Angel Sky from the outside. Strong trend rushing up is entry number 5. Thunder. Onside is Teritun. Moving up by the rail is Manpower, Siklag, and Graceful Conqueror. Thunder, number 5, by 3/4 of a length. Angel Sky is racing in second. Moving up in between runners is Teritun. Siklag racing in fourth from the outside. Strong trend Manpower. Graceful Conqueror. Passing the half-mile post. Thunder. Siklag is racing on the outside. Teritun racing third by the rail. And nearing the far turn, it's Siklag by a long nose. Thunder once again by the rail. Teritun racing in third by some 2 lengths. Another far turn. Thunder this time back to 3/4 of a length. Siklag, Teritun on the outside. Manpower also coming on the outside as they race the final corner. Thunder, Siklag, Teritun on the outside is Manpower. Thunder, Teritun rushing up, moves up to take the lead. Teritun, Thunder, and Siklag, Manpower, and finally, Teritun. Thunder, Siklag, Manpower took fourth. Graceful Conqueror, Angel Sky, and Strong Trend comes